How to install the Carrot 3 child restraint system in a vehicle equipped with LATCH. Prior to installing the Carrot 3 into a vehicle, you will need to refer to the vehicle's owner's manual. You will find a section labeled LATCH, and this will help you identify the proper positions for your lower anchors and your top tethers. Step 1. Connecting to the lower anchors. Place the child restraint in the vehicle seat. Engage the left and right lower anchor connectors to the lower anchors. You will hear an audible click, letting you know that there is a secure connection. Once both sides are connected, tighten the lower anchor adjuster strap. Step 2. Connecting to the top tether anchor. Locate the top tether anchor as identified in your vehicle's owner's manual. Feed the top tether under the vehicle's head restraint. We'll always refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specific instructions or routing instructions. Locate the tether connector and loosely connect the tether connector to the tether anchor. Pull the tether adjuster strap to remove all slack. Make sure the top tether strap is taut. To ensure the Carrot 3 is securely connected and securely tightened, the seat should not move back and forth or side to side more than 1 inch at the belt path. Step 3. Securing your child. Place the child in the child restraint system. Position the harness straps around the child and fasten the harness buckle. Proper connection is confirmed when you hear an audible click after inserting each buckle into the clasp. The first thing that you want to do is tighten the belly pad by pulling the belly pad adjuster strap to remove all slack and to ensure the belly pad is in a proper position. Next, you want to remove all slack from the lower portion of your harness. Verify that the harness is not twisted and that the child is properly secured. And remove any slack that still remains in the harness strap and retighten. Step 4. The vehicle's lap shoulder belt instructions. The vehicle lap shoulder belt must be used in addition to the harness straps. Fasten the vehicle's lap shoulder belt over the child restraint by routing the belt path through the upper red belt path located at the shoulder and then through the lower belt path of the seat. Make sure that the vehicle's lap shoulder belt is not twisted or loose and the child is properly secured.